Skool is an all-in-one platform designed to help creators build online communities and courses. It allows you to create, manage, and sell courses while engaging with your audience in an interactive community space. In this video, I will guide you through the entire process step by step so that you can build and customize your course for your community. First, open your profile on Skool. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, navigate to your group or community. Now, click on the Classroom tab. Here, you will see an option to add a new course. Click on this button to begin setting up your course. Now, you will see a page where you can enter the details of your course. Start by giving your course a name. For example, you can call it How to Code in Java. Below the title, you will find the course description field. You have a limit of 500 characters, so make sure your description is concise and direct. It should provide clear information about what learners will gain from the course. Next, you can set different access levels for your course. You have several options. You can make it open, which means all members of your community can access it. You can also choose the Level Unlock feature, where only members who reach a specific level can access the course. You can select any level from 1 to 9. Additionally, there is an automatic unlock feature, which allows members to access the course once they upgrade to a new level. You can also upload a cover image for your course. The recommended cover size is 1460 by 752 pixels. You can use a design tool like Canva to create a visually appealing cover. A good cover image makes your course look professional and attractive to potential learners. If you want to charge for your course, there is a Buy Now option. This allows members to unlock the course after making a one-time purchase. Once they buy the course, they will have unlimited access to it. To enable this feature, you need to connect your Stripe account. This ensures that the payments are processed and the money is sent to your account. There is also a Time Unlock option. This allows you to set a specific date or time when members can access the course. For example, you can make the course available on day 1 or day 4 after someone joins your community. You can also disable automatic access and require members to purchase the course manually. If you want to make the course private, you will need to grant access manually. To do this, go to the Members tab, find the specific members, and give them permission to access the course. This is useful if you want to provide exclusive content to selected members. Now, let's create an open course. Enter the course name such as Java for Beginners and upload a cover image. Click on Save and wait for the course to process. Once it is added, you will see it listed in your classroom. Now, let's modify the course structure. You can add new pages, folders, and resources. Click on Add Page to create a new section. You can include a title, description, and resources like YouTube videos, downloadable files, or transcripts. You can also pin important community posts to a page. If you want to organize your course, you can create folders. Click on Add Folder and give it a name. For example, you can create a folder named Algorithms and place related pages inside it. This helps keep your content structured and easy to navigate. If you need to edit your course, click on Edit Course. Here, you can change the access level, update the description, or modify any other settings. Once you are done, click on Save. To manage members, go to the Members tab. If you have active members, you can modify their access settings. For now, since you are the owner, you will only see your name, but as more people join, you can grant access to specific members. If you decide to delete the course, simply click on the Delete button. This will remove the course permanently. You can always create new courses whenever you need to. Skool offers many features beyond course creation. You can explore the Calendar section to schedule events or the Members section to manage your community. You can invite people by sharing a link to your community. If your community grows in popularity, new members may discover and join your courses organically. When people visit your course, they will see the course title, description, cover image and progress bar. They can navigate through the pages and folders to access the content. Depending on how you structure your course, they may find text lessons, videos, downloadable files, or interactive discussions. If you're ready to create engaging courses and build a thriving community, Skool is the platform you've been looking for. It's designed to make course creation simple, fun, and highly effective, perfect for educators, creators, and entrepreneurs. Whether you're just starting out or already have a following, Skool gives you all the tools you need to connect with your audience and grow your impact. Ready to get started? Click the link in the description to try Skool for free and see how easy it is to bring your community together.